Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Zen Browser theme. The first thing I want you to do is launch up Zen Browser, come to the top left, click on these three dots. Once you get this drop down, come here, click on Settings, and then here under Settings you'll see General. I want you to scroll down until you see Language and Appearance, and you can change this from either light mode to dark mode. Right here you can use automatic for your system settings, or you can also click here on Custom. Under Contrast Control, click on Manage Colors, and you can change your background color, for example, to lime green. Right here, click on OK. You can use these sliders as well to slide around. I'll pick this one, click on OK. Then once you click on OK, as you can see, the color has been changed. Of course, you can change the text color as well. Let's go ahead and set it to this shade of red. Click here on OK. Click on OK again. As you can see, the text colors have also been changed. And of course, you can come here, change the fonts. You can click here on Look and Feel and change the browser layouts, or you can adjust theme settings as well if you wanted to show in compact view. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.